everyone, welcome back to Terrific Story. So we are going to make the body set, part 3, the weapons. We are only going to make a few of the weapons, rest of them we will show in the end of the video. In the previous video, we saw how to make the stage. In this video, weapons. Let's make the mega sword. Now we need a 6x4 flat and a 2x2 flat, 4 roof tiles 4x2. So let's see how to make it. First, we are going to build everything on the 6x4 flat. So I have to keep one roof tile, okay, like this. Second and third, I have to keep in the middle. Finally, another one. Okay, these two should be overlap. Now we have to put for the handle, we have to put the 2x2 flat. That's all the way to go. Now let's make the lightning axe. The lightning axe is actually pretty simple. You just have to have two 4x1 flats of any color, different colors, and just put them like this. Now I'm going to make the big axe. The big axe is also pretty simple. You just have one 6x1 and one 2x4 flats, and also have different color. And you have to put it here. Let's make the mace. Now we are going to make the mace. So we need a 4x2 big piece, two 2x2s, another yellow, another red 2x2, another blue one, two blue slopes, one red slope, and two inverted slopes. Let's make it. I'm going to start it out. Now keep these here. Is this okay? Keep this red slope. This okay. Now we need to keep this like this. Now the handle, 2x2 stacked on it, 3 2x2 stacked on each other. The handle, fix it to the top. That's all. Let's make the small bow. Now we have a 4x2 flat and two 2x2 roof tiles. Keep them here. And this arrow, keep it like this. 6x1. Okay. Let's make the big bow. Now we need a 4x2 flat, two 2x2 roof tiles, curved slopes, 3x2 like we used in body leg, and 18 for the arrow. Now let's start. 2x2 roof tiles like this. Now we need to put this curved slope. Now the arrow. That's all. And the toxic saber. Now it's time for the toxic saber's handle. We need one 2x1 and two 3x2s. Now let's make the blade. And you have to like this.
another one. This. Okay, 2 into 4 flat, 2 into 1, sorry, 4 into 1 flat, no, this, okay, and put the handle on this black, and that's ready.
Take the bomb.
Pieces. Now we have to have a black 2 into 2, or any color you want. And we have to have this round flat 1 into 1 and keep it on a 2 into 1 some color like yellow. I've used yellow and put it on the black like this. Okay, center arrangement, and that's all.
Gold grenade.
You have to have a yellow 1 into 1, a red 1 into 1 with a yellow 2 into 1 and a yellow 2 into 2 flat. And you have to put it on all of them. That's all.
Let's make the black grenade.
Another round flat 1 into 1 and the smallest slope you can ever find. Stack the smallest slope you can ever find on the round flat 1 into 1, and that's all.
The black one.
Black 2 into 2, that's all.
Let's make the durian.
2 green 2 into 2 stacked on each other.
Let's make the blue gun.
We have to have 1 6 into 1 and a 1 2 into 1 stacked on each other. That's all.
Let's make the fire.
Now we have to make it. Now red flat 24 and the red 2 into 1. Sorry, yeah, 2 into 1. Yellow 2 into 1. Red 2 into 2. Orange 2 into 2. Red 2 into 2. 2 into 1, sorry. Red 2 into 3. And 2 red 2 into 1s. Like this. Sorry. It's breaking. Uh-oh. It's breaking. And yellow 2 into 1s. 3. Like this. And an orange 2 into 2. Sorry. Like this. Okay. Now we have to have 3 into 2 yellow, 2 into 2 orange, and we have to mix, that is stuck. And a 2 into 4 red, and 2 into mix, and there, that's the.
Along with these weapons, I made more weapons. So you can just unleash your imagination and do whatever you want. Brings us to the end of our set. The body set. Hope you really liked the video. And smash the like button and subscribe if you have not yet. And I'll see you in my next video.